Okay, so we're gonna get the bike ready, and then I'm gonna throw my gear on, and we're gonna head out to the track that I worked on yesterday and get a little bit of riding in. And pretty excited to ride it after rebuilding everything. And dirt is still pretty wet, and probably gonna get rutted up pretty quick, but whatever. So let's get the bike ready. Okay, so just threw the GoPro on and I'm out at the track now. I got the tripod with me. I might get some tripod shots later, I'm not sure yet, but I just rode like one lap, just a test lap, and dirt is perfect right now, so I'm excited, so let's start riding. My bar pet's about to fall off, that's cool. I might have accidentally knocked my bike over while I was getting off the stand. You know, maybe I did, maybe I didn't. Okay, let's see how everything feels. It's a little muddy right here. I haven't rode out here for a while. Need to get the hang of everything again. I think it's a little bit soft too. It's gonna go really slow. Definitely gonna be a while till we get used to the whoops though. Okay, so there's this little course I made about a year ago. It's kind of like half motocross, half off-road, and like single track and stuff like that. Kinda. But I'm gonna hit that. I'm gonna do like maybe 30 laps on it. I'm gonna take you guys to the track real quick. Then I'm gonna do some laps, and then when I get a little bit more comfortable and everything will probably be tore up and rode up, then I'll video again. So I'm gonna take you guys to the track real quick. Okay, so this is where you start. I'm gonna do a terrible hole shot. Jump. How are these rollers? How are these whoops I can't hit yet? And then this is where it gets interesting. We cut the course right here. Go off onto this little trail. And we got this super tight corner. Nice little single track. It comes into this little freestyle jump. Woo! That thing launches you. And you're gonna come back around. Back up to here. Oh. I don't know when I'll be able to hit those. And then you just go on that triple again, little triple step down, and then do that little lap again, and then link up back up that course. So that's the course. I'm gonna do a few laps, and then I'll check back in with you guys. Okay, I just rode a few laps, and it's super fun. The dirt is perfect, but man, I gotta get up to my fitness. It's like on that other track where I did the 50 laps, it's a hard track to do, but it's pretty open and like everything is super smooth. On this, everything is so rutted, and gnarly. There's constantly braking bumps, whoops, rollers, weird things that you run into and get over, and that kind of stuff. And then there's jumps, and then you're immediately going into turns, and it really wears you out. But I'm gonna do like 3 laps with the GoPro on, so then we might go to some tripod shots, I don't know. Okay, I think I've mentally prepared myself enough to ride again. Just gonna do a first gear whole shot, because every time I try it second, it just bogs down on this track. I don't know if I'll ever get used to these. Oh, not bad. Oh. Oh my gosh. I swear I wasn't riding this bad before. Gonna drill this bush right here with my bars. Oh. We're gonna do a first gear whole shot, because the second gear just bogs down, so. Oh no. Oh man, come in hot. Gonna drill this bush. Oh, my arms are so pumped up. We're not doing 3 laps. Oh boy. I got to do a break. Oh my gosh, I'm going off the trail. Okay, that was only 2 laps, but I can't go any longer. Okay, I got you guys on a GoPro now, so let's go get some shots with the tripod. Okay, that's all the ride I'm going to do on the track for today. Right now I'm following my dad back. He came out and watched for a little bit, but I'll check back with you guys as soon as I get home and we'll scrap the bike. You can tell these trails haven't been ridden in a while. I'll try to bunny hop this. Made it. I'll try to bunny hop this one too. This is a lot longer though. Got it. Okay, so we're back now, and I'm going to wait and wash my bike off some other time, but we're going to put the bike away, and then that'll be it for this video, so thanks for watching.